Heavenly value equivalent to 1.5288 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.5242. 1.5578. The earlier day close, 1.5580. The change was 0.0292. 1.87%. Opposite rate, ZAR to XLM. Heavenly cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Heavenly cost forecast on Monday, WACC 6, cost 1.51 rands, high 1.62. Low 1.40. Heavenly estimate on Tuesday, WACC 7, cost 1.51 rands, high 1.62. Low 1.40. Heavenly cost forecast on Wednesday, WACC 8, cost 1.51 rands, high 1.62. Low 1.40. Heavenly estimate on Thursday, WACC 9, cost 1.48 rands, high 1.58. Low 1.38. Heavenly cost forecast on Friday, WACC 10, cost 1.46 rands, high 1.56. Low 1.36. In multi-week heavenly estimate on Monday, WACC 13, cost 1.50 rands, high 1.61. Low 1.40. Heavenly cost forecast on Tuesday, WACC 14, cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57. Low 1.37. Heavenly estimate on Wednesday, WACC 15, cost 1.44 rands, high 1.54. Low 1.34. Heavenly cost expectation on Thursday, WACC 16, cost 1.43 rands, high 1.53. Low 1.33. Heavenly figure on Friday, WACC 17, cost 1.40 rands, high 1.50. Low 1.30. In about 14 days heavenly cost expectation on Monday, WACC 20, cost 1.38 rands, high 1.48. Low 1.28. Heavenly figure on Tuesday, WACC 21, cost 1.45 rands, high 1.55. Low 1.35. Heavenly cost expectation on Wednesday, WACC 22, cost 1.44 rands, high 1.54. Low 1.34. Heavenly figure on Thursday, WACC 23, cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57. Low 1.37. Heavenly cost expectation on Friday, WACC 24, cost 1.52 rands, high 1.63. Low 1.41. In 3 weeks heavenly figure on Monday, WACC 27, cost 1.49 rands, high 1.59. Low 1.39. Heavenly cost expectation on Tuesday, WACC 28, cost 1.57 rands, high 1.68. Low 1.46. Heavenly figure on Wednesday, WACC 29, cost 1.61 rands, high 1.72. Low 1.50. Heavenly cost forecast on Thursday, WACC 30, cost 1.59 rands, high 1.70. Low 1.48. Heavenly gauge on Friday, WACC 31, cost 1.59 rands, high 1.70. Low 1.48. In about a month heavenly cost forecast on Monday, April 3, cost 1.61 rands, high 1.72. Low 1.50. Heavenly gauge on Tuesday, April 4, cost 1.64 rands, high 1.75. Low 1.53. Heavenly value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Heavenly cost expectation for WACC 2023. In the first place cost at 1.59 rands, exorbitant cost 1.72, while low cost 1.28. The found the middle value of cost 1.55. Heavenly cost gauge toward the month's end 1.59. Change for spring 0.0%. Heavenly gauge for April 2023. In the first place cost at 1.59 rands, exorbitant cost 1.75, while low cost 1.40. The found the middle value of cost 1.59. Heavenly cost figure toward the month's end 1.63. Change for April 2.5%. Heavenly cost expectation for May 2023. To start with cost at 1.63 rands, exorbitant cost 1.77. While low cost 1.53. The found the middle value of cost 1.65. Heavenly cost estimate toward the month's end 1.65. Change for May 1.2%. Heavenly conjecture for June 2023. Before all else cost at 1.65 rands, excessive cost 2.04. While low cost 1.65. Be arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.81. Heavenly cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.91. change for June 15.8%. Heavenly cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 1.91 rands, excessive cost 1.91. While low cost 1.49, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.73. Heavenly cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.60, change for July 16.2%. Heavenly conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 1.60 rands, excessive cost 1.60. While low cost 1.25, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.45. Heavenly cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.34. Change for August 16.3%. Heavenly cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 1.34 rands, excessive cost 1.40. While low cost 1.22, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.32. Heavenly cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.31. Change for September 2.2%. Heavenly figure for October 2023. Initially cost at 1.31 rands, excessive cost 1.63. While low cost 1.31, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.44. Heavenly cost figure toward the month's end 1.52. Change for October 16.0%. Heavenly cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at 1.52 rands, excessive cost 1.52. While low cost 1.29, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.43. Heavenly cost figure toward the month's end 1.39. Change for November 8.6%. Heavenly figure for December 2023. Initially cost at 1.39 rands, excessive cost 1.59. While low cost 1.39, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.47. Heavenly cost figure toward the month's end 1.49. Change for December 7.2%. Heavenly cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at 1.49 rands, excessive cost 1.49. While low cost 1.16, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.35. Heavenly cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.25. Change for January 16.1%. Heavenly conjecture for February 2024. Before all else cost at 1.25 rands, excessive cost 1.25. While low cost 1.02, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.16. Heavenly cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.10, change for February 12.0%. Heavenly cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at 1.10 rands, excessive cost 1.10. While low cost 0.86, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.00. Heavenly cost conjecture toward the month's end 0.92. Change for spring 16.4% ZAR to XLM conversion standard equivalent to 0.6541 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.6419 0.